Reinforced concrete members. Every structure is proportioned as to both architecture and engineering to serve a particular function. Form and function go hand in hand, and the BEAT structural system is the one that fulfills most of the needs of the user while being serviceable, attractive, and economically cost-efficient. Although most structures are designed for a lifespan of 50 years, the durability performance record indicates that properly proportioned concrete structures have generally had longer useful lives. Reinforced concrete structures consist of a series of members, components, that interact to support the loads placed on the structures. The components can be broadly classified into 1. Floor slabs. Floor slabs are the main horizontal elements that transmit the moving live loads as well as the stationary dead loads to the vertical framing supports of a structure. They can be slabs on beams, waffle slabs, slabs without beams, flat plates, resting directly on columns, composite slabs on joists. They can be proportioned such that they act in one direction, one-way slabs, or proportioned so that they act in two perpendicular directions, two-way slabs and flat plates. 2. Beams. Beams are the structural elements that transmit the tributary loads from floor slabs to vertical supporting columns. They are normally cast monolithically with the slabs and are structurally reinforced on one face, the lower tension side, or both the top and bottom faces. As they are cast monolithically with the slab, they form a T-beam section for interior beams or an L-beam at the building exterior. The planned dimensions of a slab panel determine whether the floor slab behaves essentially as a one-way or two-way slab. 3. Columns. The vertical elements support the structural floor system. They are compression members subjected in most cases to both bending and axial load and are of major importance in the safety considerations of any structure. If a structural system is also composed of horizontal compression members, such members would be considered as beam columns. 4. Walls. Walls are the vertical enclosures for building frames. They are not usually or necessarily made of concrete but of any material that aesthetically fulfills the form and functional needs of the structural system. Additionally, structural concrete walls are often necessary as foundation walls, stairwell walls, and shear walls that resist horizontal wind loads and earthquake-induced loads. 5. Foundations. Foundations are the structural concrete elements that transmit the weight of the superstructure to the supporting soil. They could be in many forms. Isolated footing, the simplest one. It can be viewed as an inverted slab transmitting a distributed load from the soil to the column. Combined footings supporting more than one column. Mat foundations, and rafts, which are basically inverted slab and beam construction. Strip footing or wall footing supporting walls. Piles driven to rock.